What I'm basically going to show you tonight will be the small power supply. This converts the AC into a 12 volt DC. This can be any other type of unit. It can be very small. It's called a brick. It's very low power, maybe 1 amp. This is a ground wire. I just have it sticking here. It feeds the oscillator, which is fused, which has an off and on switch right here, which basically has an adjuster for the frequency. This unit is an oscillator. It feeds a coil here, which feeds another coil, which feeds an antenna. This is an antenna system. Now what I'll do is I'm going to try and tune this up. I'll turn it on here, and I'll tune it here, and you'll notice that there will be a point in time when this lamp will come on. Now once again, this is FCC approved and basically compliant with all the regulations with it, which is the Reg 8. You notice that this particular energy lights up the fluorescent. Once again, the power supply, oscillator, transmitter, special transmitter. I can take this unit around here over here. This particular unit is very inexpensive, very lightweight, and it is changing the form of energy from AC into an electromagnetic power. I'm going to shut this down. What I will do now is have the demonstration of not just the fluorescent, but I will take and show the demonstration of an antenna with the collector. And essentially what I'm doing is going to have a very small light that will light up. It's fairly close now, but we can show distance at a different time. So what I'm going to do is turn this on, and essentially I will tune it with a fluorescent like this. And you'll notice, although the lamp is fairly small, it's fairly small as far as wattage, but it does light. Now, right now I'm just using this as an antenna, if you will, and you can see the lamp burning. Wireless energy. It's not going very far, but we normally demonstrate a 6-foot demonstration. Because of the camera, I can only go so far. Very low power once again. Once again, I can turn off the power. This is a very nice unit. Has many applications in the lighting industry. Once again, the collector, the receiver, small lamp, and that's it, and that's what you're seeing. That's wireless energy. What I'd like to show tonight is essentially a power supply, an oscillator, a transformer, and turn that around a little bit, an antenna, a receiving antenna, a collector, and a 15-watt light bulb and a lamp. But you notice that we also have a lamp here, and we have an antenna and of course a fluorescent tube. So what I will do is I will turn this on, and I'll turn this on very low, and you notice that the lamp comes on and the light is very bright. We're getting a little arcing, and that's because of my configuration. But essentially, of course, I can get energy from this tube. Now, what we have here once again is we're lighting a lamp, fairly bright, and we have an antenna, the oscillator, the transformer, and the power supply. If we put a certain type of material in between the transmitter and the receiver, we will notice a change in the receiving collector. This is normally fed to a computer. We go through what we call a digital processing unit. some software, and we determine what the composition is. This is the principle of an active system. We also have it set up where this particular system here can receive just that signal from a composition or matter and also determine the signature recognition codes. Well, once again, this is kind of the basic principle. I'm going to turn off some lights so we get a little better feel for what's going on. So once again, the same setup, the kind of same setup. The lamp is right here. I'll move it over just a little bit. I'm going to tune this up a little bit, and you can see it come on, and that's the particular lamp. Now, once again, we have a lamp lit over here. We have this also, we're getting power. This is wireless energy, wireless power, and also detecting different types of materials that would be put in the path of the electromagnetic, which is omnidirectional path. This unit has been tested and complied with all FCC regulations. Thank you very much.